Due to the varying size of islands and overhangs, there are some special steps that need to be taken to ensure that your laminate countertop is properly installed. Adjust the cabinets as needed. If the cabinets cannot be leveled, shims may be needed later in the installation process. Measure the width of the build-down strip located on the underside of the countertop. Place the build-up strip on the cabinet. Measure in from the end of the cabinet and add 1/4 inch. Mark the location for build-up placement. Place the first build-up strip at the mark. Place build-up strips on either side of the joint where two cabinets meet up, making sure to leave room for countertop installation screws from the bottom into the countertop. Pre-drill 3 holes where the build-up strip will install into the cabinets and screw the strip into place. Pre-drill an additional 3 holes for installation of the countertop. Pre-drill a minimum of 2 to 3 holes in the section that will be overhanging. Set the countertop in place and fasten. Weight or pressure may need to be applied to the countertop when screwing it down. If the overhanging portion of the countertop exceeds 15 inches, additional support will be needed to the floor.